Hello, I just opened up my Microsoft Word 2021 and I'm presented with this start screen. And if you've used other Microsoft products such as PowerPoint and Excel, this is the similar start screen that we'll see for those applications as well. Now the start screen is just really kind of a one-stop shop for us to be able to interact with Microsoft Word. And there's a lot of things that we can do here, but I do want to point out that we do have three major icons here that we're going to interact with, such as the Home tab, which we're currently selected, which we're currently navigating on. We have this New tab here. We have our Open tab. And so between these three, we can kind of get around and get some work done. We can find files. We can continue working on files. We can add our favorites, and we can even go ahead and find gather some ideas for what we're trying to accomplish here as well. So right now we're on our Home tab, and some of the things that we can do on our Home tab here, we can go ahead and we can start a new document, such as a blank document, which we'll do in a few minutes here. You can go ahead and check out this Welcome to Word tutorial if you want to. There's another tutorial here, okay, inserting tables. Or we can go ahead and take a look at some of these templates that are here as well. Templates are a great way to really kind of get you started. But we'll take a look at that when we visit our New tab. Right now, let's head on over down here and let's take a look at what we can do. So because of the start screen here, we can take a look at our recent activity. So if I want to look at some recent files, notice I have some recent files here that I've been working on. They're sorted by the newest file, right? Newest file first goes to the oldest file. If you have more documents, you can always go ahead and click on more documents here, and it will show you a longer list of your documents here as well. I want to go ahead and take a look at my pin files here. So right now, I don't have any pin files. Pin files you want to easily find later. Click the pin icon that appears when you hover over a file. I'm going to go back to my recent files here, and I'm going to mouse over. So I'm hovering over each file here, and notice I can either share the file or I can pin the file. I'm going to go ahead and pin this one here. So I just pinned lesson 4. Let's go back to my pinned list here and see if it's there. There it is. So go ahead and pin those important files that you're working on in Microsoft Word. It'll always be here for you. Very quick for you to find it here as well. The other tab here is to look for files that have been shared with me. And right here, I do have a file that has been shared with me. It's been shared by myself with my other account here. So if you're connected with your colleagues, you can always see your shared files here as well. If you have a really long list of files you're not showing up, you can go ahead and click on search and type it in here, and it will also appear for you. Let's head on over to our New tab here. So notice some new, you can also go ahead and start a new blank document. Or down here, what I really like to do, I really like the fact that there's a lot of options here. We can search online for templates. So if you want to search for a particular type of template, you can just search, type in your search right here and look for that. If you want to, you can go ahead and use some of the suggested searches here. We have some suggestions here, such as business, cards, flyers, letters, education, resumes and cover letters, and even holidays as well. Notice on the bottom, we do have some templates that are ready for us. Okay. A lot of people like to come in here and take advantage of the resume, right? The resume templates that are in here. They're pretty much ready for you. You just need to fill in your information. And when you click on one of them, it just gives you a nice preview of what it looks like here. It gives you a nice description as well. If I did want to take advantage of this, I would just click on create. I can navigate through them until I find one that I like here as well. There's some different resumes here. This one has a picture that you can use. So a lot of powerful tools at your fingertips. As you'll see as we go through this tutorial, there's a lot of things that we will have access to, a lot of things that we can do as well. If you're not finding what you're looking for, you can always go online, right, and find more right here. Go to templates.office.com. I'm going to go back over here to my open menu here. And this basically is providing you with a really nice interface where you can find things, where you can find your files. So right now, there's a few sections here under open. So notice right now, I have my recent activated. So it's showing me my recent documents, my recent folders. Okay, so today, yesterday, older files. So I can come right here, have my pin files as well. Just a really nice way to be able to find the things that you're working on. Anything that was shared with me, I can go ahead. I can search my OneDrive if I want to. And I am connected with my Microsoft account. And so my OneDrive is activated. I can go ahead and search my folders and my documents in OneDrive as well. I want to go ahead and search this PC. It gives me this menu right here inside of Microsoft Word. So it makes it easier for me to go ahead, kind of navigate. As you can see, I have some folders here. It's my documents folder. I can go up one level, maybe go to my desktop. If I want to, I can go ahead and add a place, such as OneDrive or OneDrive for Business. And you always have access to this, this browse feature, which will open your computer's folder menu so that you can search for that file individually. I'll go back to my home tab here, just kind of prepared to start my blank document here. But go ahead, spend some time, pause the video, look around, click on your home tab, your new tab, your open tab, and go ahead and pin some files and then come right back.